Good afternoon, my family and friends. Today I went out and found some good deals. What are those? You need to watch my video. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe here and comment. I appreciate it very much. Next is my video. Look at this beautiful flowers. This is everything is $1. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Look at this red. Look at this. Is it love, love, love? Spread lots of love. Look at this whole section, all red, beautiful. And look at this St. Patrick, all green. Wow, look at this. Happy St. Patrick's Day from the dollar store. Beautiful.
Get to work, David.
Bathroom cleaner. Fresh and natural. Get that one for something. Look at that. Those are all dollar stuff. This soap. Everything for $1. And I think I want to get one of these again. This is $1. Look at this cleaning stuff. Those are $1. Guys, it's a screen cleaning set for $1. How can you beat that? I will get one. All kinds of good stuff for $1. Power cord, car charger, different colors for $1. How can you beat those prices, guys? So we'll get one of this, one of this. Look at this good stuff. Even movies for $1. Hello, my family and friends. This is the one I got from the dollar store. These are all $1, but the one I'm very excited is this one because my oven mittens is like very old already, and this one is 100% cotton, and it said the backing is polyester, so this is nice. But you know, $1 what you can get. At Walmart, maybe this is between $3 to $5. So with the dollar store, you cannot beat the price. This one, I'll try this one. It's a Tile Plus. This is with bleach, so this is very good. So make sure you have to use your gloves while using this one. And I love this one. I got the one with from the 99-cent store. This is from the dollar store, but this is bigger than the one from the 99-cent store. So this is very good. It will take a little bit because I only use like 1 tablespoon if it is bigger container. Usually I use this baking soda for like dirty wipes in the kitchen. I use that one because I have to I don't like the smell, so usually I'll wash it and then I'll soak in this one. So I'll show you tomorrow. And the one, if you want your pans to look nice and shiny, use this one. We call it Brillo Basics. This is very good. I tried this last time and I like it. You know, you just use once in a while because it will, you know, once it get dirty, was it good? Use this one. Brillo Basics. And then of course, last time I got from 99-cent store, but since I was there today, so I grabbed two, so $1 each. And then I was very excited for this one, for wiping your cell phones, because you know, as you can see, our cell phone is very dirty. So it says screen cleaning wipes, 20 pieces, so you cannot beat the price. And this one also is a screen cleaning set. So I got this last time. You take it out and then you spray in your cell phone and then wipe it with this one. Or if you don't want to use this, you can just use this. And another one I got is this one. You can use this to wipe the dashboard of your cars, dust it off, you know, and after that you can just put it in the washing machine. So you can use this over and over. Or you can use also the disposable one, like last time I bought 3 from the 99-cent store, but the one is disposable. This one, after you use it, you can throw it in the washing machine and you can use it again. So my friends, that's the one I got from the dollar store. Very excited. So I learned to shop at the dollar store because I saw some videos of a lady that's buying that stuff, and I was encouraged to do it too because it's $1 and I want to find out if this is true or not. So my friends, I will see you next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe my video, and I'll see you next time. My family and friends, this is the tile plus that I got at the dollar store. This is very good in cleaning. It said it's with bleach, so it's good. So what you have to do, just spray on your sink or bathroom. And then use, I got this from the dollar store also, and just do that. See? See, it's nice. I like it because when you're done, the sink comes out nice and shiny. So just simple as that. Very easy. See, you remove the dirts, and because it's with bleach, it come out very nice and clean. See, I can smell the bleach. See, it looks really nice and clean. Just like that, and then you can wipe it with a rag. And I can smell it's fresh now. After I wash it, it smells really good. Nice and fresh. Just like that. But if you use the sponge, then of course you need to wear gloves to make sure, because some of the people's skin are very sensitive. Sometimes, just like mine, So if I use the sponge and use my hand, you need to use the sponge.